I'm going to do just a quick basic toilet install. This one is a one piece, so the tank is already attached to the base. Majority of toilets, this piece is going to be separate. It just attaches with 2 bolts and a gasket. Other than that, the rest of the install is basically the same. This one is the Swiss Madison. So it came with new wax seal, the mounting hardware for the floor, and the seat. Since this one is new construction style, I just need to put in a valve. I'm going to do the crimp valve with the crimper and the crimp ring. If you don't have the crimper, or if it's copper or something different, you don't want to solder a crimp, or you don't have the tools, you can just do the shark bite where you just cut this and it's a compression fitting that slides on. No tools necessary. But yeah, I'm just going to put this one on. But for the toilet install itself, really all you're going to need is a caulking gun, silicone, and pretty much a adjustable wrench. It's really all you need. Alright, so I got the bolts in, covers on. Couldn't really fit the crescent wrench in there very well. I ended up just using this wrench. A little tight in there. Have fun with that one. I'm just going to put the water line on. Most of these valves are going to be a 3/8 or a 1/4 outlet. I got the 3/8 to the 7/8. Most of the toilets are going to be a 7/8 outlet. This one just says right there, toilet. And you can get these in different lengths. So for the 7/8 outlet up here, I don't know if we can see it. So they had this piece on the end. If you were to do a different hose fitting, that was like a compression fitting. We're just going to remove that and not use it. This will just thread on. It has the rubber gasket in there, literally just finger snug. Okay. And then our 3/8 for our wall outlet. And this one as well, it's got the rubber ring in there. These ones just, you don't want to go too tight. If they've got the rubber gasket, just go a good finger snug, and then a 1/4 a turn with the wrench, and it's good. So we'll deal with that. And then just give it a 1/4 there. Cool. So our water's in, drain's hooked up. I have this valve off. Just gonna pop the seat on. Turn our water on. Everything should be filling up.